Welcome to MHRC, it's Mike, and in this video I install a low ESR cap onto my little SPC Maker C120 build to try to get rid of some bad video noise I was having. So here I got the wow stick out because there's a lot of little screws to take out. And nice thing about this little C120 frame is that you can just remove all the screws from the bottom, and then the whole bottom plate can just be lifted off if you have to get to the bottom, like bottom of the flight controller like I did, to add some extra solder to the battery leads so I can put the cap down here. So let's see, I'm adding some solder here. Not the best job, but it seemed to work okay. Tinning up the end, just adding some solder to this so that it'll hopefully all flow together easily. And you want to pay attention to the negative and positive side, obviously. Usually on these, the negative side is marked like that. So just quickly reflowing the solder I added. Seems good enough to me. And there it is in place. And so I'm going to go fly it, and I'm going to do a split screen when I take off. And on the left will be the footage without the filter. And as you can see, I think I made quite a bit of improvement adding the filter. There's still some noise, but I think it's way better than it was, and I'm happy to leave it like this. So I think for me, this adding the low ESR cap to the 330 microfarad in this case seemed to be effective. So happy with that. So I'll let the rest of this flight play out. I'm also happy with this little setup, the 3S 6000 kV 2.5-inch setup on the SPC Maker C120. I'm enjoying that quite a bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.